What's up guys? Welcome back to the Tenor Share channel. We see this Apple logo screen every time we restart, update, or restore our iPhone. At times, it could freeze there like a still, or get into a boot loop like this. Fortunately, we have solutions for it. In this video, we'll go over each of them. So, let's get into it. First, let's try force restarting. For iPhone 13, is press and quickly release the volume up button. Then press and quickly release the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button till the Apple logo reappears. If you got here during an update or restore, this method might not work for you. Then we can move on to the next one. Update iPhone using iTunes. So we install and open iTunes on the computer. Plug the phone in. For iTunes to detect it, we'll need to put it into recovery mode. For an iPhone 13, is press and quickly release the volume up button. Then press and quickly release the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button until you see the recovery mode screen. Now iTunes should recognize it and give you the option to update or restore. If you prefer to keep the data, go with the update. iTunes will download the latest firmware for you, and then it'll start the update process. If everything goes well, your iPhone 13 will boot up to the lock screen. If not, you might see a message saying that your iPhone can't be updated. You must restore it to factory settings. Before going with that option, you might want to try an alternative here. Repair the phone with ReiBoot. The standard repair mode can maintain the data for you. So we open it on a computer. Make sure the phone is connected and in recovery mode. On the home screen, click Start. Select the standard repair to proceed. ReiBoot will match the latest iOS firmware for you. Once downloaded, you can start repairing. Your iPhone will be updated to the latest iOS in the process. Well done? As you can see, ReiBoot works too. So guys, this is how you can fix your iPhone 13 when it's stuck on the Apple logo screen. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you.